You can't defeat the darkness by running from it. This is what I mean. We all go through a part in our life where it seems like nobody understands us. Nobody's on our side. Maybe nobody's supporting you. And you're in a real dark moment in your life. And maybe it was before you. Maybe it's behind you. Maybe it's ahead of you. Maybe you're about to go through it. You can't run from it. Do you know that when there's dirt thrown on you and you're buried, this is the perfect time to grow? That's how you plant the seed. You plant the seed, throw dirt on it, it gets real dark. This is the perfect time to grow. You're going to come out this darkness with a whole new character, a whole new belief and essence that everything is possible, a whole new caliber of a mindset, knowing like, you can't stop me in the dark. Imagine when I step into the light. There's no point in trying to run from it because it'll chase you your whole life. Every time you flick off that light, the darkness is right there. Every time the sun goes down, the darkness is right there. Every time you shift your mind from the things that distract you, the darkness is right there. Learn how to grow through the darkness. It's the best thing you could do.